Now these have been really popular in the USA for years with thousands of units sold, and here at the Power Site we're the first to introduce them to the UK. So let's open the box and show you how to put it together. Put these little axles on the drum. So the 4 countersink bolts, 4 washers, 4 nuts. That's per side. I'm just placing a washer on the inside and a nut, and I'm going to put all 4 in and just tighten them by hand first. So let's just get that started. With the 2 spindles attached and tightened down, we need to fit the 2 handles. Now you'll see one with the brass locator here, which is for the lock. So if I put that on the right hand side, that's the way I like to do it. And then when we put the frame on, we'll just locate it accordingly. So bolt and washer through the hole, locate through the other side, just get it started. Repeat the operation 3 times. I'll just tighten the handles into place. That's one handle on, as you can see, on the right hand side with the brass piece facing out. I'll put the left hand one on exactly the same. I'll just pull this little bolt back out of the way. A little brass grommet here on the left hand side as we fitted it. So now they're going to line up, and it simply drops into the little bee nest on the top, and that's the unit assembled. I've been Adrian, thanks for watching.